Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to connect your PlayStation 5 to an Elgato HD60. First, ensure you have your PlayStation 5 console, an Elgato HD60 capture device, 2 high-definition multimedia interface cables, and 1 universal serial bus 3.0 cable. You will also need a television or monitor for pass-through and a computer to run the Elgato software. This setup allows you to capture or stream your gameplay effectively. Before connecting your Elgato HD60, a critical first step is to disable high-bandwidth digital content protection, or HDCP, on your PlayStation 5. Connect your console directly to your television using an HDMI cable. Then, go to your PlayStation 5 settings, select System, then HDMI, and toggle Enable HDCP to the off position. This ensures your Elgato capture card can properly receive the video signal from your console. Now, let's make the physical connections. Take one HDMI cable and connect it from the HDMI output port on your PlayStation 5 to the HDMI input port on your Elgato HD60. Next, use a second HDMI cable to connect the HDMI output port on your Elgato HD60 to an available HDMI input on your television or monitor. Finally, connect the Elgato HD60 to your computer using the provided USB 3.0 cable. With all cables connected, the next step is software setup. Download and install the Elgato Game Capture HD software on your computer. Once launched, you should see your PlayStation 5 gameplay displayed. If not, double-check your HDCP setting and all cable connections. For capturing party chat and microphone audio, you might need an Elgato Chat Link cable. Now you are ready to record or stream your exciting PlayStation 5 adventures.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.